Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming UAN and Aadhaar KYC linkage. This lets the system accept a transfer. Next, open the Epfo portal and sign in with your UAN credentials. Once logged in, go to the Member Services tab and choose One Member, One EPF Account, Transfer Request. Fill in previous employer details and the establishment code. Attach scanned identity docs where prompted. Make sure data matches the passbook to avoid rejection. You now focus on the detailed form fields that determine acceptance. Carefully choose transferring and receiving establishments and enter correct joining and exit dates. Mismatches cause delays. Use the pre-filled history if available, but manually verify wages and service periods. Once everything matches, request digital attestation from your previous employer or upload signed Form 13 if manual. After that, preview the form, correct any errors, then submit for employer. You finish by monitoring the status under Transfer Request History. Use the URN to check updates. Once the receiving office processes it, contributions show in one account and you'll receive confirmation. If the previous employer delays attestation, contact HR and follow up with the Epfo grievance using the URN. Escalate to regional office if unresolved. If rejection occurs, read the rejection reason, correct fields, and resubmit. Keep PDFs and screenshots as proof while waiting for completion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.